Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to use this Go Plus Play speaker, so let's get started. Firstly, let's turn it on by pressing this power button on the top of the speaker and it will light up and you will hear a chime. Just like this. And now you will see 5 white dots. This is the charging indicators. As you can see, in my case, light up only 4 dots and 5th is disabled now. So, if all of the dots are lit, the speaker is fully charged. To charge it, you will need a charger, which goes in a complete with this device and looks just like this. So, you need to plug it into a power off source and turn around your speaker. And here you will see this silicone protector which you need to open. And now you will see 4 ports. But we are interested in this one, which is for the power. So connect the cable to the speaker. Great. And also sometimes after powering on, the Bluetooth indicator will flash for a while, and this means that the speaker is searching for the devices. So afterwards it will turn off. Just press the button to reactivate Bluetooth. And now let's connect it to the phone. So firstly, let's press this Bluetooth button on the top of the speaker, so it will start blinking and you will hear a chime. Great. Now we go to the settings on our phone, find Bluetooth section, and enable Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher. And in the list of other devices, you will find this Go Plus Play speaker. Just click it and wait till it will be paired. And now it is paired because you heard the chime, and you can find your speaker in the list of My Devices. And now on the upper panel you can find volume up and down buttons, with the help of which you can control the volume. Let me show you these closer. So volume up and volume down buttons. And also this play or pause button to control playback right here. So if something doesn't work right or it doesn't connect to the phone, for example, you can easily reset it by holding volume up and play buttons at the same time. So let's do it until the indicators will turn off and we'll hear a chime. Great. Now the reset process has been successfully completed and all of the old connections was deleted. So we can reconnect it again with the phone. So let's turn it on again. And as you can see, it automatically goes in a pairing mode because this indicator is blinking. So let's go in Bluetooth on the phone, turn it on, and then find our device in the list of other devices and select it. Great, and now it is reconnected with the phone. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.